Sweden is promoting and cooperating with local governments, enterprises and other associations to encourage sustainable transportation solutions at a higher level. In the field of road transport, since 2018, Sweden has allowed large-capacity trucks with a maximum total weight of 74 tons and a maximum length of 25.25 meters to drive on the road. To strengthen the competitiveness of railways and assist the transportation of goods from roads to railways, the government offers environmental compensation for railway freight transport. In the field of shipping, Sweden launched the Ecological Incentive Assistance Program in 2019 to support the transformation from road to shipping and inland river transportation mode. Sweden also introduced an air travel tax for commercial flights in 2018, which is paid by passengers who take domestic or international flights from Swedish airports. Sweden has promoted the need for energy-efficient vehicles and ships in all modes of transport. The purchase of light vehicles with low carbon emissions is eligible for incentives, while the purchase of vehicles with high emissions has a higher tax rate in the first 3 years. In addition, preferential tax treatment is given to purchase vehicles with advanced environmental protection technology. The government also provides subsidies for the purchase of electric buses, trucks and other electric vehicles. Sweden strives to promote the transition of all modes of transportation to sustainable and renewable fuels as soon as possible. In recent years, the Swedish government has taken a series of measures, including setting up an electrification committee, led by the Minister of Infrastructure, to vigorously promote the electrification of the transportation industry and the overall solution of connecting different modes of transportation.